Hello folks, it's the Westerham Flyer here. I'm at Harding as usual. Every year I come here, 2 or 3 times a year. And you'll never guess who I've bumped into. One of my favourite YouTubers.
There you go.
Andy Tiernan.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
Yeah, I think they're brilliant. They're nice short videos.
Informative, that's what we try to do.
Yeah. All them bikes you sell, I wouldn't mind. Cool.
We sold 40 in the first month of the year.
Wow.
In 1 month, yeah. It's done well this year.
Well done.
Bikes have stabilised. People now realise the price is a bit cheaper and they're coming in and buying them.
Yeah, but they're all good bikes, aren't they, you've done it?
Tried with him and Peter likes checking them over. He's pedantic, he likes things right. It cost me a fortune, but you know what you're getting then, that's the thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've not seen the other chap who's here today, Stan Stevens. I've not bumped into him yet. 2-stroke expert.
No, I can't say no. Yeah.
It's on the thing, on the information that he was going to appear at 12 o'clock, but I couldn't find him.
Have you been into the 2-stroke section in the hall there?
Yeah, he's got a table in there.
There's some nice stuff in there. Nice stuff. Yeah. There's some video stuff. We've just got some new overalls. Yeah. New red overalls with a
Yeah.
little bit of a logo on it.
I thought you was the chap.
Yeah, this is it. The man.
Your fame precedes you.
That was about infamous. Yeah.
Right, I'm going to have a look round. I think it's all starting to shut down now. People are starting to leave.
Yeah, and it's starting to get overcast as well, look.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain later.
Stuff like raining.
Oh my God, take me an hour to get home with my little bike.
Yeah. What are you on then?
A little AJS 125.
Oh, the Chinese one, yeah.
Yeah, I've had all the, it's Yamaha engine, but I've had British bikes and everything in the past. I got through a load of bikes when I was young.
Yeah. This is when you can press the button and roar up the...
No, I had to kick all them bikes over.
No, this one, sorry.
Oh, this one, sorry, yeah. This one's push the button, yeah. It has got a Kickstarter if you want it.
What will it cruise at, 50?
Yeah. Top whack of 60.
You wouldn't expect it. It's a good 125 there. Getting near that, isn't it? Yeah.
But I can do the speed limit all the way down here. It takes me an hour. Even when I was on a bigger bike, it still took me an hour.
Yeah. That's good.
That's good. You should have had yourself advertised. People in, know about old motorbikes would know. Andy Tiernan.
Yeah, well, Judy, funny enough, she had me on a bit of a video of it when I first came in next to the bun shop. It's rather apt, isn't it? Yeah. That's definitely a good day. I could well recommend this jumble. Well recommended.
Well, this is Duke Dyson's favourite. Well, I must admit, it's my favourite as well. It's about the biggest and favourite.
Yeah. It's overtaken Kempton Park now.
I went there once. I didn't like the journey.
No.
Andy goes there anyway, doesn't he?
Yeah, we go there. It's traditional, really. Most of us boys are traditional, so we always park the car in the same spot wherever you go.
That's it.
You watch his videos, they're blinking good,
I've
aren't
seen
they?
the occasional one, I didn't realise. Do you do them regularly then?
Nearly 1,500 videos we've done.
Have you?
No matter what bike it is, if we've sold it, we'd still video because that's informative for the next guy, isn't it? You can refer back to it, kind of, that's the good thing. It hasn't got to keep bringing everybody, where's the petrol tap? What's this do? What's that?
Are you still in the same place as you was over 30 years ago?
Yeah, 40 years now.
40 years, yeah.
I'm still there.
That's up past Ipswich.
Yeah, you're going north Ipswich, northeast Ipswich.
Yeah.
Up the A12.
Nice area up there.
Yeah. You'll go up and have a look round his shop.
Yeah.
I went to the castle in his town. That was quite interesting.
Oh
no, his shop's more interesting.
Construction problems with sizable sea.
40 years ago, there was no houses round your place, was there?
No, not in the yard. No, they've got to develop.
No, they're all round you now.
Everywhere. Yeah. All the Essex boys have moved out of the suburbia, haven't they? Come to us. Sell a mansion there, sell a house there for a little money and buy a mansion where we are.
Right, anyway, it's good to see you down here.
Lovely. Well, I like to see 5-minute videos. I don't know how long this one will be.
Oh, this one's turned into 5 minutes.
Oh, there you go.
Thanks a lot, mate.
All the best, nice seeing you.
All the best, Andy.
That's it.
Right, let's continue round. lot more stalls this time. What's that? Honda. I'm right down the end today. I've never been down this far before. There's certainly a lot of people here. I'm normally up there, and here we are right down here. Oh, we're nearly up the other half of the site here in Ardney. Oh God, what have we got over here? PSA with a trailer. Lovely. Oh. Anyway, time's getting on and it's time to get home. The Westerham Flyer signing out of a very short video on Ardney.